Hi, my name is Craig Sasso with the Whalesbone Group. We are a sustainable seafood company, oyster house, with a dry aged steak program, which we dry age in-house. Dry aged steak, we age them between 45 and 100 days. It definitely seals in the flavor of the steak. Steak is a lot more tender with a very unique flavor due to the dry age. The Conscious Builder is actually working on our dry age room, which is located in our basement. We dry age all different cuts of steak. We dry age duck. We dry age fish sometimes. We dry age lamb. It is in a public area, so it's in full view of our customers. It's a big attraction for our customers. A lot of people go down there and really take a look and are pretty fascinated with the whole process, the dry aging process. We've had the Conscious Builder to replace the glass so people have a better view, and they're doing a great job. Beginning of this year, Elgin Street from Nepean down past Gladstone is undergoing a full reconstruction. They've closed down the street from January 1st and it's supposed to go until December 31st. It's been a bit trying. We are closer to the north end of the construction, so we fared a bit better than most people because the City Hall has offered free parking on the weekends and on the weekdays after 6 p.m. And we're a bit more accessible than some, but it definitely has been trying. And hopefully at the end of it, when the street is revitalized and it's a lot more inviting to people, a lot more pedestrian friendly, we'll see an influx in business that could possibly make up for the losses we've taken this year. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, come down and have a plate of our freshly shucked oysters or enjoy some of our sustainable seafood that we offer. Or check out some of our dry steak, our program that we're very, very proud of.